Hello, Play-Doh fans. Today I just got some Play-Doh while I was out. Sorry, it's kind of messy over here. But I got the new Play-Doh Plus. I got 8 little Play-Dohs here. Play-Doh Plus. So, yeah. You can't see all the Play-Doh Pluses, but I got this piece of paper because my thing has a sheet on it. Hi! My brother got some new glow-in-the-dark darts and some Streamliner darts, but right now he's playing with his Nerf. So, if you're interested in Nerf, that's awesome. But right now I'm going to start off with my 2 favorite colors. These colors.
Which ones?
Blue and purple.
Blue and purple.
And the other 6, I'm going to just leave them alone. So let's bring these colors over. Gonna try and open this. Oh, this is small. So this is what they look like inside.
Now this one is my favorite, sisters, and this one's my favorite.
No, my favorite is the Recon.
Really?
Yeah.
Guys, your favorite gun's the Raider?
I mean the Raider. My favorite gun is the Raider.
Yeah. But these guns are awesome.
Me cool.
It's just that this one comes with a barrel.
Oh, so it's untouchable in here. I'm sorry. I'm just trying to smush the Play-Doh so it can get into my hands. So, today what I'm going to make is I'm going to make something good. So, oh my gosh. You're trying not to mix colors with this, but this is going to look like pink to you or something.
And it came with 3 more other things. 2 more extra clips and a long shot barrel.
Nico, I'm not supposed to be doing this. I'm doing a real video.
No, I thought you said you weren't. You were going to open it.
I already did. So, what you're going to do is you're going to roll the blue into the ball.
Vanessa, you're not opening it.
I already opened it.
You're supposed to do it in the garage. I'm telling.
I'm doing it on a piece of paper.
So you can't.
And you're going to need a bigger, more blue. But today I'm going to be making a flower. So, when you have these 2 little world, you're going to take a piece of purple out.
Okay.
Put it on the blue.
We use the light darts. Light up darts. Because those are my favorite.
And it's going to look like this. Then you take a piece of the blue. And you're going to put it on the... You're going to need a bigger piece of blue for this one. Okay.
Okay, so we got the long shirt ready.
So,
it has a bunch
I
of
got
colors.
these 2. But now you're going to need some more, right? To make
I got this new gun, the Raider 35. Nerf.
So you're going to make
boom,
a little thing like this.
What do you
call
that? What is that? What is that thing?
I don't know.
It's a snake.
And then I'm going to make a blue one.
Gosh, she made a snake.
It's not a snake.
Oh! What is that?
Look.
This is real bullets in it. Look at it.
Oh my gosh.
Long shot.
So when you're done with that, you're going to make
when
these
you're ready, get your long shot.
little... Okay, but don't say my real name. Ooh, this is tight. Tight business here. Okay, this... I have no idea what in the world I am making for some reason. This is getting to become very inconscient business. Okay, this is awesome. It's a little tiny worm friend I made. Get out of here, Mr. Ramirez.
Vanessa.
Don't.
Her name really is Vanessa, actually. It really is. Nerf guy.
Yeah. He likes Nerf better than.
You're gonna shoot you.
Stop.
It's gonna send it on YouTube.
I am.
Yay!
Yeah. We were at the Warriors game the other day. They put us on TV. If you see him, he's in a yellow shirt, and I am wearing a sweatshirt. It's.
Her name's Vanessa. So go to her Facebook.
I don't have a Facebook.
You don't have it until you're 12.
13. I'm going to put some little white things on him to make it look like he has some eyes on him at least. Okay, so he's going to have some eyes on him at least.
Raider drum I found today.
We don't like the Raiders, so
What?
if you love... I'm saying we don't like...
Raider drum.
I know, but I'm telling them we don't like the Raiders, so...
So let's get your long shot
The
ready.
Raider team. So,
You have 2 extra clips. Ready?
so here's my wormy friend.
The other guy, ready?
He's been very nice,
Oh,
but he has
I
a
got shot.
problem with his little tail. His tail
Never mind.
is stuck to his body, and now I have to stick this to him. He is a little wormy.
Ah!
Gotta twist him up. Gotta make him look
Guys,
like
so
he's
Santa
a
got
wormy
so
friend.
much bullets.
Okay, here's my little wormy friend. So he's a little wormy mixed with colors. We're going to need the colors.
You're going to need all of those colors for $50. It costs $50.
It doesn't cost $50.
Yes,
So you're going to need all of these colors to make that my wormy
You
friend.
need $25 for this.
And I am going
All
to
these
put
bullets cost like $1,000.
something special to
Look,
go with him.
most of them are in this.
That's green and white.
Get some more over
So
here.
you're going to need,
Need this one packed.
so you're going to get like a pinch. Like, so you're going to go pinch right in it, and it's going to go like this. And you're going to go like this to make it touch, and if it falls off, oh well. They're going to put something special on him to make him look like he's a real worm.
Got 3 of those. Just give them the back.
He's not going to look like a real worm with this, but he will in a second. And just put another pinch full
Long shot.
of
Barrel. Long shot. Ah!
a real worm if you twist his tail a little, make it scrunchy, and mix it with all the other colors. Take off his tail. You're going to mix his little tail into a ball made of colors. Whoop! Daisy. Okay, and your ball is going to look so colorful. And you're going to attach it onto my little wormy friend.
Who's little wormy friend?
My wormy
Hey,
friend.
ready to
Renee.
battle.
And he's going to look like a little drippy man. This when you're done. Voila! Whoop! Voila! Whoop! So I'm not going to make anything else right now because it's running out of time. But my next video, I'll be making something with orange, blue, green, purple, and yellow probably. And I'll probably be making a flower or some big design. So thanks, bye!